Goeiemiddag en welkom hier by Hoërskool Welkomself se jaarlikse Haakos Dans Sportfestival. Ek is Gustaf Haan, ek sal die kommentaar vandag wees en saam met my is Sange. Sange, hoe gaan dit met jou?
I'm fine with you, Mr. Gustaf.
Fine, thank you. I see our referee today is Mr. Colin, die man in die middel om die vletjies, meneer Hannibal Colin, onderwyser daar van Woeste, gebore in Woeste, ervare skeieregter daar in die WP. As ek regs op Piketberg wat hier gaan afskop, wat gaan speel van links tot regs op ons skerm en dan Augustburg wat gaan ontvang. Ons wag net gou vir 'n bal. So Ms. Sange, how are you experiencing your first sport festival here at Bergveld High School?
I find it really great seeing all these schools coming out and playing at High School Brackenfell. And I feel like this is such a great event for the school as well. And yeah, that's from my side.
Vertel ons 'n bietjie van jouself. You're now part of the coaching staff here at Bergveld High School.
Yes, I am. I find it as a privilege to still be part of the school. And I think I'm really going to enjoy it as well.
And tell us, what team are you coaching this year?
I'm coaching the under 14 A's and B's side.
Okay, and how is the preparation going for the season?
We're doing really good. We're gelling and we're starting to get into our structure really well. And yes, that's all we can do so far.
Okay, we're going to start now. Ons wag vir die skeieregter, ek ken gou of almal daar is. Daar 15 manne is van elke span. En hier gaan ons met Colin wat die game begin.
And it's kick-off. Nice hanging ball. Great take van Piketberg.
Regweg wil ons skoon maak. Hulle gaan nou kyk om 'n vaste faset op te sit. Pick up en drive af gaan hulle. Nog 'n vaste faset. En gaan gooi vir nog 'n vaste faset. Die bal wat nou gaan wyd gaan. Waar wat vasmaak. Wat gaan nie gemaak, gaan 'n klein kindjie speel.
Great tackle van
Ja, hy
Moline
speel
there.
klein kindjie. En is weer nou weer vasgemaak.
There's no...
Augustburg
the
wat
snide
gaan
from the 9.
contest daar. En nou wat gaan Piketberg doen? Gaan hulle weer die blind slaan, gaan hulle speel? Nee, pick up and drive.
From the big prop.
Ja, groot mannetjie daar. Groot stuk vleis.
What do Piketberg do now? They play the pakkie.
En hulle gaan nou wegspeel. Speel daar weg van die wak af. En nou gaan hom kyk wyd speel.
Oh,
Wie
no.
vat op? Hy verloor die bal.
no,
Wat sê die skeieregter?
backwards.
Skeieregter sê 8 toe. Speel aan. 10 wat 'n skop het
Kiki.
jy. Hier sit nou. Hier sit
Will he
nou.
make it through?
Nee,
And
ongelukkig
it's
is
out,
uit.
unfortunately for Piketberg. Line out for Augustburg. What do they do?
Ja, as 'n vlag wat daar op is. Soos Sange sê, lyn staan vir Augustburg en Piketberg wat graag hy bal nou sou wil wen. Kom ons kyk wat gebeur. Gaan Augustburg gaan hulle exit, gaan hulle skop. What are you gonna do? Sange,
Yes.
what would you do now?
In this type of moment, I prefer an exit.
An exit.
Yes.
So what, more exit or more put up a few phases and then exit?
We should...
aanslaan
unlucky.
Aanslaan daar van
Piketberg has the ball. What do
Piketberg.
they do? They go blind.
Hulle gaan weer
They play the
blind.
wing. Oh, they go out
Skeieregter wat op
again.
sy vletjie is, aanslaan van Augustburg.
Unfortunate for Pietersburg.
Piketberg wat nou die skram gaan hê. Skampie 15. Okay,
No.
skram, kom ons kyk.
The
Eerste skram van die wedstryd.
Yeah,
Piketberg se bal.
we'll see who will dominate the scrum. Would it be
Ja.
Pieterberg or Augustburg? Apologies.
Sange as a forward player, how would you What would you do now in the scrum? Would you go for the blind? Would you pick up and drive? Wat sal jy doen?
I'd rather prefer the backs to play and the pakkie should sit afterwards.
So backline sê, oh,
The
bekend
scrum looks
weg.
uncontested.
Ja.
Will he be try? He's
Short.
close to the try line. He picks up and
Bekend
tries.
weg wat wyd speel
And
en
it's try time.
5 punte vir bekend weg.
For the
Skeieregter wat die
fly-off.
TV toeken. Kom ons kyk, gaan hy oorskop? Let's see.
Great try van Pietersberg.
Ek het so voor die wedstryd Sangie toe doen ek 'n bietjie navorsing oor beide skole. In Beketberg, hy staat in 1846 as ek nou reg is, Beketberg mense moet my asseblief nie stenigie. 1864 met 35 ledes en Augustusburg is in daar's verskillende datums daar. Hulle praat van 1997 en 1977 en toe oor na 1996 en dit is 'n skool in Klein Willem. Dis een van die enigste landbouskole nog in die Weskaap.
And he kicks it. And
En
it's
die skop is
unfortunately it's short.
Ja, dan 5-0 Beketberg het voorloop. Game is al so 4 minute aan die gang. Kom ons kyk, gaan nog gespig, hier kan terugkom met 'n teenoorval. Beketberg gaan hulle die krane oopdraai. Wat gaan gebeur?
We'll see if Aggisburg will get the ball back or not.
As Ange as a previous player at the school, how would you prepare for a game like this? What do you think?
I would think of us as a forward, we'll probably dominate up in front. We
Okay.
will use our backs. And yeah, we'll just, as Brackenfell is really known for domination. And yeah, that's from my side.
En wat sal jy nou doen as jy nou Gosberg se skoene is? What would you like to see and do now?
I would
Gosberg
try-
wat afskop.
Will he get the ball? Great take from
Klein knock en
Pietersberg.
af van Beketberg. Skeieregter speel voordeel.
And it's a knock.
Gosberg wat die bal opvat. Hulle sal die voordeel wil gebruik. Kom ons kyk. 9 paas vir 10.
10 gives the pakkie.
Ja,
What
lyk my
a
hulle speel van
hit.
10 af,
What a
né?
tackle from Pietersberg.
9 speel weer vir 10. 10 oor stewig
he got
vasgevat
him.
die
He got him in the
Beketberg man.
tackle.
Skeieregter wat terugkom vir die voordeel. Skram. Gosberg bal. Kom ons
What
kyk.
will Aggisburg do?
Hulle eerste skram wat hulle die bal het. Kom ons kyk wat gaan hulle maak. Gaan hulle ook die klein kantjies speel? Gaan hulle wyd speel? Kom ons kyk.
We will see now.
Ja.
Mr. Gustav, how do you feel about this game? You find it exciting or not?
Yes, it's actually both of us our first time, so bit nervous, bietjie gestres, maar ons kyk maar wat gaan gebeur.
Yes.
Ons moet ergens begin hè.
Yeah.
We must start somewhere.
I'm starting to really enjoy commentary, really. I'm really enjoying
Ja, ons kyk
it.
maar wat sê die mense. Ons kyk maar wat sê die mense. Hulle moet kyk weer
And
soos
the scrum,
Sangie wat opgeleid is aankom, is dit skrams.
they play the fly off. What do fly off do? Gives to 12. 12 makes it straight. Pietersberg met the tackle. The 9 gets the ball. They
They
play.
14. Oh, is hy vorentoe.
Oh, unfortunately, what an offload.
So hy sê regte sê speel aan. Gosberg het nog steeds besit van die bal.
Aggisburg with the great take. Cleaners must clean. The 9 takes it. He gives it to the fly off dummies. He's through. Oh,
Ketberg wat die bal
interception.
onderskep, skeieregter het voordeel gespeel, gaan terugkom vir die penalty.
What will Aggisburg do? Will they go for line or they take the tuck? We will see. And they take the
gevat
tuck.
het.
What the carry should go a bit lower. What will Aggisburg do? They play the fly off. They play the pakkie. He makes some meters of the line. What does the ref say?
Hy sê eerste man op die bal, kom ons kyk. Ooh,
Oh,
Gosberg steeds besit van daai bal.
great take from the 12. Aggisburg taking the time. They play their forwards. Oh, he got stopped right there in his tracks.
Nog 'n voordeel vir Gosberg, 2 voordele nou vir die skeieregter speel. Bal wat nou wyd
They
gaan.
play the 10. Oh, I think the ref says it's backwards.
Skeieregter gaan terugkom vir daai voordeel. Kom ons kyk. Ketberg sê nou jy moet versigtig wees om nie te veel penalties af te staan in die 22 meter nie. Hulle loop voor, wil nie nou 'n onnodige geel kaart afstaan nie. Kom ons kyk, Gosberg wat die penalty het. Let's see what they do.
Let's see what Aggisburg gonna do. Are they gonna go for line or they're gonna take the scrum?
Nou net aangedui, hulle gaan nou skram vat, Sangie. Kom ons kyk. Let's see if they can dominate in the skram.
I see these scrums are uncontested.
Ja. I wonder why. Why would you say, Sangie, why would you say it's uncontested?
Hey, probably their props are not strong enough. We never know.
Dis nie 'n ding wat mens gereeld sien by onder hierdie vlak.
Oh, and the 8 picks up. He goes left, he goes right. Flav takes the ball, gives it to 12. 12 hits. Clean as clean. What do the scramble do? He plays the pucky. They hit up forward. Oh no, you got to take him back. You got to take him back 5 meters back. Ockersburg plays. The lock has the ball. Is he through? Will he make it? And it's try time for Ockersburg. What a try from a team. Great effort.
Goeie hardloop waar we daarvan bekend weg. Sien die gap, speel hom wyd en die telling is 5-5.
Beautiful try from
Lyk
Ockersburg.
soos 'n besewing daar van een van die spelers.
Ik denk dit is Pietersberg. Ik denk zo.
Een van elke span Beketberg en Augustusburg. Kom ons kyk.
We'll see what Oxburg gonna do. Will he make the kick over? Or will he be miss? We'll never know. But great try effort from Ockersburg. Brilliant try effort from the team. Well done, Ockersburg.
Oxburg gaan paal toe skop. Kom ons kyk. Weerlik 'n maklike skop hier vir die nommer 9.
We'll see. Is it? And it's over.
2 punte kom by. Oxburg wat voor op 7-5. 9 minute verby. Kom ons kyk. Wie gaan hier wegstap as die wenners vandag?
Mr. Gustav, how do you feel about the weather for today?
It's warm actually today. Dis lekker warm vandag. Ek is spyt ek het my sonskerm ingepak vandaggie, maar gelukkig sit ek hier in 'n container met aircon so, dis daarom nie nodig nie. And you, what do you say?
Hey, unfortunately, I'm wearing my chinos. It's
Oh,
really
getting warm.
hot. It's really hot.
Oxburg wat die bal opvat, 2 wat plat val.
What will the Scanmaf do? Gives it to the fly off. And he kicks out. Will the ball be out? What a kick from Ockersburg.
Unfortunately, die week uitgeskop.
no.
Sal moet terugkom. Lyn staan Beketbergbal.
Unfortunate for Ockersburg. Unfortunate, honestly.
Kom ons kyk gaan Beketberg nou wie met 'n teenaanval loods. Wat gaan hulle doen? Sangie, would you maul or would you play for the backline?
I would rather play the backline.
Okay. Lekker. Sangie, tell me, how are you finding the game so far? Hoe vind jy die game so ver?
Honestly, this game is interesting. We don't know who's going to win. Is it going to be Pietersburg or Ockersburg? We'll never know.
Tight game hier, tight game. Kom ons kyk wat gebeur in die lyn staan. Beketberg wat ingooi. Bal wat agtertoe gespeel word opgevat. Beketberg clean. Kom ons
Ockersburg on the
kyk.
defense. What do they
Hier
do?
is nog 'n pakkie wat opgesit word. Hy hardloop skuins.
Nice
Kom ons
tackle
kyk,
from
gaan die bal nou wyd
Ockersburg.
gaan. 10 vat op, bal word nou wyd gespeel. Skoppie! Is dit aan?
Unfortunately, not
Oxburg
Oxburg. That's
vas
the ball. Gives the offer. Wow. What do Oxburg do? And they kick out.
Oh, bal wat nie
Oh,
uit is
no,
nie.
it's not out.
Oh, Beketberg wat die bal
no.
aanslaan. Dit gaan 'n skram wees vir Oxburg.
Unfortunately for Pietersburg. Honestly, unfortunate. What do Oxburg do now? This match is really entertaining.
Ja, gaan interessant wees. Gaan hulle nou is uncontested scrum so and I see they allowed 8 to pick up normally at the uncontested scrums.
The 8s.
Mag jy 8 nie optel en
Ja.
hulle 9 moet speel. So do you play the 8, do you play the blind side and then on the wing of speel jy tel jy 8 op en hy beweeg gou wat kantjie om en hy speel vir 10. Wat?
Oxburg puts the ball in. Fly off receives. What will he do? And he kicks.
En is 'n skoppie wat opgesit word,
Will
Beketberg.
it be a 50? Is it a 50-22? For
Let's see,
Oxburg?
what does the AR say? En lyk my nie die AR sê is 'n 50-22 nie, kom ons kyk. Nee, hy sê wel is 'n 50-22.
Great kick from the flyer from Oxburg. What a kick.
Uitstekende skop van die nommer 10. Kom ons kyk, wat se teenaanval gaan doen? Gaan hulle wyd speel, gaan hulle mol? Let's see.
What will Oxburg do today? If I was Oxburg, I would recommend them more from the 22 to
Yeah.
gain some meters, and we play our backs
Why would you mol now?
to get the momentum in front, and then after that we track in the forwards, then we play the back line.
Okay, so trek in the forwards and you play backline. It's actually lekker hardloop wat vir vandag, nee. Both teams want to run off the ball.
It looks like it was Pietersburg's ball.
Ja, Beketbergsbal, ja. Okay, en Beketberg looking for the exit. Hy sit hom hoog. Nie uit nie, hy wat chase, kom ons kyk. Voordeel wat gespeel word, lyk soos 'n hoog tackle. High
Unfortunately, it
tackle.
was a high tackle.
Voordeel wat gespeel word, Oxburg van die bal.
Well, Augsburg take the advantage. And they play.
Nog 'n hoogvat, 2
another high
naby.
tackle.
Beketberg
Presies
sal
pakkie.
dissipline moet wegkry. Ons wil nie kaarte hê nie, kom ons kyk. Bal wat wyd gespeel word.
Augsburg going forward. The wing is he through? Unfortunately, he's not. He got hit.
Skeieregter wat terugkom vir die penalty. Hier's 'n bietjie
It's Augsburg's ball. What do
manne
they
sê 'n
do?
bietjie hallo vir mekaar hier op die kantlyn. Skeieregter wat terughardloop vir die penalty.
I would recommend Augsburg to kick the ball out to gain some meters so they can play the line out.
Take the line. More from the line out, 5 points.
That's easy 5 points.
Maklike 5 punte, lekker blou bol Dawie daar. Kom ons kyk. It looks like
Oh, they're gonna scrum.
Hulle wat vir skram gaan. Kom ons kyk Sange. You said we would go for the line out, kick out, more 5 points. Duidelik het hulle ander planne.
It looks like Augsburg went in the other direction.
Ja, kom ons kyk. Maar wat weet ons hè? Let's see what they do. They are the players on the field. Augsburg wil daai bal graag nou wil insit. Kom ons kyk. Aankos is 'n skram, so die persoon wat die bal insit kan onmiddellik die skram. Hakke moet hak. Albei spanne beide staan stil en die bal kom
The
uit.
fluff receives the ball. Oh no. The fullback gets the ball. Augsburg's fullback going through. Panna buite. What does the ref say? Is it holding? Unfortunately not. Plays the fly off. Plays the 13. What a line from Augsburg. Beautiful line. What does Scrammy do? He plays. They play the hands. The Paki takes it up. The nine with the kick for
Is dit
Augsburg.
aan die agter? Is dit aan?
Is it on? Will you make it? Unfortunately, Augsburg couldn't make it. The Bowen did.
Bal is doodgeskop. 22 meter inskop vir Beketberg. Kom ons kyk. Gaan hulle diep skop, gaan hulle ver skop. Sange. I know you were forward. Ek weet jy was 'n forward op jou dae, maar as jy nou die nommer 10 was, sou jy nou diep skop of was jy nou naby skop?
Ik zal diep scoop
Sal jy diep skop?
Ja.
Waar moet jy kyk diep?
to gain more territory.
Okay, TV gain. Okay.
Yes.
Ongelukkig ek was nou nie I played in a backline when I was in primary school. Ek het opgehou toe ek hoërskool toe kom. Ek het maar die vletjie opgevat. I was the referee, so I can't talk about the backline so much, but you can talk about the forwards.
Yeah, Mr. Gustav ref some of my games as well.
Ek hoop ek was te sleg nie.
Whose ball is it? Oh,
Klein skoppie. Oh,
what a kick.
goeie skoppie daar vir die nommer 10 van Beketberg. Beketberg wat die bal opvat. Voordeel sê meneer Colin. Meneer Colin wat sover die wedstryd baie goed hanteer.
Augsburg pushing up the line.
Hy vaar skeieregter daar van die WPI nie. Aanslaan.
Unfortunately, it was a knock-on. What did
Voordeel
Pittsburgh
wat-
do?
Voordeel wat gespeel word vir Beketberg. Beketberg wat skoon maak. Sit jy voordeel.
What will the defense do? Great push-up.
Beketberg gaan die bal opvat. Hulle wat skoon maak. Lyk my hier gaan nog 'n pakkie opgesit word.
Augsburg with a great hit in the middle.
Beketberg wat skoon maak en nou gaan die bal wyd gaan. Kom ons kyk wat maak die backline. Skoppie van die 10.
Will he make it?
Is dit aan na agter?
Augsburg met the ball.
Soos my pa sal sê, moet nooit die bal laat op nie.
Is it holding?
Meneer Collins sê dis
It's
holding. Goeie call. Kom ons kyk
Great
Beketberg wat hom
steal.
opsit. Almal is
Oh, he
10.
tucked and pass. He offload.
Is buite
Is it
is
through?
aan.
He gives it. Will he make it? And it's try time
5
for
punte vir
Pietersburg.
5 punte vir Beketberg. Meneer Colin wat die DV2 ken. Kom ons kyk, gaan die 10 oorskop.
What a try.
Geen wind wat hier waai vandag vir hoërskool werk veel so skop is 'n bietjie makliker vandag. Beketberg het mooi wat speel vandag Sange. Have you ever when you played here at school, het julle ooit in Beketberg gespeel?
Ik denk so. I think we did. Yes, I think we did at the Kalen the festival. I think we played.
Oh,
there.
the Beals Festival that's now in April.
Yes.
Okay, and what was the score? Did you win? Did you lose?
We won them definitely, but I just don't remember the scoreboard.
How was the game for you?
It was a hot day that day. That's all I remember.
Lekker plattelandse mense aan die platteland. Okay, let's see. Kom ons kyk. Die 10 wat gaan aan vir skop. Hy het 'n WV bal.
Is it over?
Skop wat links verby is. Ja, se vla
Unfortunately,
wat
he did not make it. What did Augsburg do? What Augsburg kick?
Hy as 'n
Right.
vlak wat afbly, kom ons kyk.
Will Augsburg hang the ball or will they kick the ball deep? We will see now.
Again, I know you didn't play in the back line. Tell me, would you kick deep or would you kick close to the 10 meter?
I'd rather kick deep
Kick deep. Why would you kick deep?
so we can put them under pressure so they can kick the ball out again for us to get the ball back.
Let's see. Augsburg wat aantref vir die skop. Kom ons kyk.
Augsburg with the kickoff. He kicks
En
the ball nice in the 22. What
Wat
do they
die
do?
bal opvat, is 'n lekker diep skop. Gewis stukkie vleis. Hy maak meters.
Great
Bus is
carry.
vol.
What a clean out. He plays
Maar wat-
Sparky. They got him down. They play the blind side. They
Kleintjie
play
wat
the
gespeel
inside.
word. Bal wat
Is
hulle
he through? He's
Oh.
making meters, great meters from Petersburg.
Paketberg.
Petersburg, sorry.
Paketberg gaan bal optel. Is dit offside daar van Augsburg? Wat sê skeieregter? Skeieregter gesê nee.
Speel aan.
Paketberg seker nog 'n fase, hy wil opsit, nog 'n pakkie. Vier wat die bal opvat. Hy word net so agter die voordelyn vasgevat.
And it's stolen from Oxford. Great steal. It was a knock. Backwards. The ref say so.
En Paketberg gaan die bal gesteel het. Weer die nommer,
Nommer-
lyk soos die nommer 4 of 5 wat opvat. Nou, kom ons kyk gaan die same side
Oxford
wat
on the
gespeel word.
defense. A nice cross kick. Will he get it?
Amper vat hy hom. Bal is lyk my nie uit nie. Skeieregter speel
Unfortunately, they couldn't get the ball back.
het voordeel gespeel. Aanslaan. Kom ons kyk, gaan hulle nou die opsie hê.
What do Augsburg do with the line out? It looks like a 5-man line out for. Oh no, I'm incorrect. It's a scrum.
Yeah, it was knocked on into touch, so I have the option scrum on the 15, scrum where the ball was knocked on, or line out, and Augsburg chose the line out. Come on, the scrum, sorry. Uncontested scrum, ball put in, Augsburg playing.
Augsburg the ball. The Flav gets the ball. Tam is the 12, gives the 13 at the back.
Oh,
Gives the
goeie
13 through.
aanval.
Tackle made in the midfield. What do? Give to the fly off. Flav places 15. What a goose. He plays his wing. What a hit made for.
Augsburg wat die skopie opsit, so met die agste man,
Wat wil
dit
hy
sien
doen?
mense elke dag hier. Voor waar jy wat kan skop. Kom ons kyk wat maak op Ketberg, hy
Hulle speel.
guess so 'n bietjie. Oh,
En
is dit te
dan
begin
word-
daar? Is dit taken back? Wat sê die skeieregter?
It looks like it's Augsburg's ball.
Ja, taken back, Augsburg bal, 5 meters, kwam, kom ons kyk. Goeie aanvalgeleentheid om teen die middel van die veld, so hy kan beide speel, links en regs. What he can do, is the 8 gonna pick up, or they can play the blind side, or backline, let's see.
I guess we'll never know. What do Augsburg do here? Like Mr. Hans said, are they going to go blind? Are they going to play the backline? Or is the 8 going to pick up? We'll never know. Let's see what Augsburg going to do now. Augsburg puts the ball in. Plays the fly off. What a line from the 15. He offloads. They close to the 5. They play the hands. And it's try time from the number 14 from Augsburg.
Goeie hande wat Augsburg daar speel om oor die lyn te kom.
What a try. Beautiful hands from Augsburg.
Laat die bal die werk doen. Goeie hande. Kom ons kyk, wat gaan hy doen? Gaan hy oorskop? Kom ons kyk. Game wat close is 10-12. As hy hom oorskop, dan is dit net so voor so 8 minute tot halftyd, dan is ons gelyk op. Dan het ons 'n game hier by Hoërskool Brackenfell. Hekots dan Festival.
Augsburg here doing good. Dominating up at the back line. Very good. What will the kicker do? Will he be over or will he miss it?
Sange, your thoughts on the first half so far? Close game?
I think both forwards on both sides are doing really great. From both sides, yes.
If you were the coach now of any of these teams, what would you say to them?
Honestly, I'll just probably just motivate them to work harder. And that's from my side.
Okay. Let's see wat ek
And he kicks.
oplyn vir die skop
Will he make
is. Regs
Unfortunately,
verby.
he didn't.
Telling bly 12-10 vir Oksburg. Kom ons kyk, daar is so 7 minute oor van die wedstryd. Piketberg wat gaan afskop. Kom ons kyk wat gebeur. Ek moet sê die ouetjie met die pink skrampet, pink away skrampet, speel 'n baas ou vandag nommer 17. Great game young man. Well done. Kyk, kom ons kyk. Gaan hy diep afskop, gaan hy vlak afskop? Net Colin sê hy kan maar skop. Kom ons kyk, gaan Oksburg speel, gaan die skeieregter se vletjie blaas vir skram.
Oh, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Hardcore, Dan Brackenfell, King Cars, Boom Coffee, Power Bush, Waltons, and Brackenfell Hyper. Thank you guys for sponsoring us.
En Oksburg waar hy skram kies, skrampie halflyn in die middelveld. Lekker goeie aanvalgeleentheid, wat gaan hulle doen? Kom ons kyk.
I feel like this game would be more interesting if the scrums were live, honestly.
Yeah, I give you a few Sangi. A good attacking option now for Oksburg. Would you now go again for the 50-22 now if you were the 10, or would you play backline?
I'd rather play the backline because the 10
Oh, die 9 wil al weg.
Oh, he picks up. He plays the... Is he through? Oh, he got tackled. He plays the 8. He got stopped in his tracks. Number 9 picks up. He plays the wing. Well, the big 3 beats through. And he got tackled by the 5 meters. They play the 8. He steps in. He got taken back. What do Oksburg do now? Play the Bucky. What a hit from Pietersburg. Hit made by Piketberg. Oh.
Ons wil 'n verskoning vir Sangie en sy benouncing van Piketberg. Hy het 'n paar Afrikaanse klasse gemis. So please don't stenig hom. Net soos ek 'n paar Engelse klasse gemis het. Dis 'n mol hierso. Die mense hier agter lag nou lekker vir ons hier in ons kommentaar hokkie. Dis 'n mol Piketberg wat opvat. Piketberg, oh, nee, 'n goeie passie. Piketberg wat opvat.
What a hit from Oksburg.
Kom ons kyk. Kom ons kyk of hulle gaan exit of gaan hulle speel.
They play.
Oh, die bal word wyd gespeel. Hier's 'n geleentheid vir Piketberg. Oh, 'n bietjie stamkarretjie wappie.
Unlucky.
Aanslaan voordeel vir Oksburg. Kom ons kyk. Dis aan die buite, dis aan die kant.
He gets hit. He plays the offer to the 9. He plays his fullback. With the fullback, he have enough pace. And unfortunately, he's out.
En ja, is 'n vlag wat op is.
Oh, he tucks.
Vinnige lyn staan,
High
vinnige
tackle
gooi.
made.
Oh, Piketberg sê hy moet versigtig wees. Ek nou weg is dit al die
Die
derde high
PD's.
tackle van hulle kant af. En ook al die 22 area so meneer Collins sal een van die daar in sy sak moet gooi vir die
Pick up
geel
and
kaart
drive
daar.
from Oksburg. They play the next second Bucky. He got stopped. Now come backwards. 3 picks up.
Piketberg het by daai bal stil
And
contest.
unfortunately, it was.
Meneer Collins wat terugkom vir die penalty not 10. Kom ons kyk vir nog 'n aanval geneem vir Oksburg. Hulle sal seker 'n 3 voor halftyd sal lekker gaan vir hulle. Net soos
Oksburg should go for line and more from the situation. If I was Oksburg, they should more from here.
okay.
But I think it looks like it's a
Skram.
scrum.
Interessant dat hulle altyd gaan vir skram, né? They don't want to line out. Probably because Uncle says scrums to get the ball, line out is contested. They can maybe lose the ball. So then, not a bad decision from Oksburg. Wat Sangie, soos jy gesê het, sal baie lekker gewees as albei skramme nou live was, maar ons vat maar wat ons het. Wappie bly lekker.
And the ball goes in for Oksburg. 9 takes it, plays his fly off, plays a 15. Oh, he got stopped in his tracks. 9 takes ball, plays a 10, plays a 30 with the goosey. He makes some meters. He plays the prop. He gains some meters for Oksburg. Oksburg gains some great momentum. What do they do now? They play the blind side. He got stopped. Oksburg takes the ball. Plays the fly off. Great line from the 8th man. 9 picks up. 9 plays. Ooh, what an inside ball, but he got stopped in his tracks.
Goeie verdediging hierdie by Ketberg kan hulle verdediging hou. Hulle sal nie nou hier voor halftyd het wie wil afstaan nie. Kom ons kyk Oxburgh wat kom met die teenaanval.
Oxburgh play the Paki. He steps inside. What do Oxburgh do now? Goes for the kiki.
Oh.
Will he make it? Funny bounce. Oh, and oh! By the try line.
Skeieregter speel voordeel aanslaan. Kom ons kyk aan
Oh, steps in. Makes the offload.
wat kan
Gains some
Ketberg
meters.
wat kan Ketberg van die geleentheid maak.
Oh,
2
they
minute aan
knocked
die
it in.
halftyd. Oxburgh wil die bal terug wen. Skeieregter kom terug vir voordeel. En is halftyd. Sangi, summary of the first half. What did we say? Excitement for first time
First
in.
half looked really interesting. I really enjoyed that type of rugby. Mr. Anna, how about you? How are you feeling about the first half?
Goeie eerste helft van beide spanne. Ek moet sê wedstryd wat tight is. Wedstryd wat lekker hardloop rugby is, lekker cheetah rugby. What would you say? Next game is Brackenfell versus Triple H. I see Brackenfell was warming up there in the in-goal area.
Yes.
And Triple H in the other corner. Are you excited for that match? The head match? Die hoofwedstryd?
Yes, I am really excited for Brackenfell versus Triple H. That'll be a really good game for Brackenfell.